You're welcome. In this video, let us understand how to make Metro card recharge system, that is an online ASP.NET project with C# language. So web application can be done in four major way. So one is ASP.NET, other one is JSP with Tomcat server. Next one is PHP with MySQL as a backend and the XAMPP server. And you can also build Python web applications using the XAMPP, or you can use the framework and we can do, for example, Django framework that we can use here. So we are concentrating on ASP.NET in this video. So this project is done on ASP.NET, and to execute this we are using Visual Studio 2019. So here we are the technology called ASP.NET, where ASP stands for Active Server Pages, and C# is a language, and Microsoft SQL Server is a backend. So in order to make this project, you should know some C# language, and you know like how to create the database in SQL Server, how to create tables in SQL Server, so all. And in C#, you should know like how to communicate with SQL Server, how to send the data, how to retrieve the data. To send the data, you have to use insert statement. To retrieve, you need to use the select statement. First, let us look at what we can do in this project. What are the things we can cover? So it's a small project. So it'll have around 14 to 15 forms. So, but again, you divide into two parts. Any online project, naturally, you'll have multiple modules. One is the admin module. So other one is the user module. So where user can sign up, and then they can log in. They go to main page. So here they can see the train schedules or train timings. They can buy new card. They can do the recharge. They can check the balance, card balance. Once you do that recharge, so you want to check the balance. So therefore, you need to make a program to all these things in the user side. And admin side, admin can log in. You go to main page. Then here you can write all the station names. So what are the stations are come. Then trains. What are the trains are available. Next is the schedule. What time train leaves and what time it reaches to the next station. So all the schedule is important, timetable is important, nothing but timetable. So it is there. So this timetable any user can able to view it. So here is the link. Next thing is new card, recharge and the balance. You should learn like how to make balances to come. So once you recharge, so you should add to your card and you should show me the balance. It's very important. That we're going to show you in this video. So I'll show the demo now. So how the whole project works. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. So this is the admin home. So where station name, train detail, time schedule. So these things we can do here. And if you go to user main page, train timetable, you can able to see the timetable. You can buy the new smart card. You can recharge the card. You can check the balance. Right. So how do you check the balance? If you go to user card balance, here it is. So you have to enter the card number and then you have to click the check button. Then what is your card number and what is the balance available? It should be shown in the text box 3 and text box 2. So text box 2 for the balance and text box 3 for the your card number. So what is the code yet, right? So if you go there and you can check it out. Sum of credit amount from card transaction tab. So card transaction tab is the table. So here you can see that the database, and here is the table, card transaction table. So I'll show you the definition of each table. So this is the admin login table. So which will have two columns. Okay. So next one is the card transaction table. So this one has 6 columns. And smart card. So this is to buy the smart card. Okay. When you buy the smart card, these are the details you need to enter. Station name. So 2 fields are there. Train details. So again 5 fields are there in this. Train schedule. Scheduling is nothing but timetable, okay, from session to session and the timings. And this is the user sign up. When user sign up, these are the details you need to fill. So these are the tables. Now when you go to card transactions, I show table data. So we can see the table data here. So this is the transaction number, and here is the card number, and here is the debited amount, sorry, credited amount and debited amount, and any transaction detail, it is there here. So if you want to find the balance, then you have to take the sum of this and sum of debit amount. Difference of this will give the balance. Okay, so here we not debited any small project. It is small project. There is not much debited amount here. So therefore, what will happen? So in order to check the card balance, you need to take the credit amount from the card transaction tab, where card number is equal to that particular card number. Then if there is a row, so if you fetch the data, that you need to transfer to text box 2. Here is a text box 2. We want to transfer to the text box 2. Text box 3, we transfer the card number. Okay, so that's how we can fetch the data from the table. In case if there is a debit amount, you have to give here minus sum of db amount. Even now also you can give, because there is a 0 over there, so no problem. So this becomes 0 and this is what are the total amount, so that will give the balance. I'll show the project first. Okay, let me run this. So in order to run this, select the project and then go to run button here. IIS Express. IIS stands for Internet Information Server from the Microsoft. That is a web server. So this is the main page. So you can alter the page whatever way you want. So you can design the first page. So next is there is admin. So here we can log into admin, then admin, login. Okay, so that's okay. Right, here is a list. You can see that Majestic, Vijayanagar, 2 station names are provided over here. Then train detail, if you go to list, ME1001, TRAN 1001. So if you go to train details, I can write the train name. What is the train name? I'll take as Express 101, EXP 101 is the train name. So who is the manufacturer? BML. Engine model, this is a new model, AMM11. Okay, number of wagons 4. Wagon details, new wagons, or anything more about wagons we can write here. So save this. Now we save the train. Now we can have the schedule here. So route number. So particular route you have to give the one number. Let's say RN101. So this is the Express 101. So this go to Majestic to Vijayanagar. So morning 6 o'clock. So the for 6, and then it's reached by 7. Okay, we'll write 6 a.m. and then 7 a.m. So save. So record saved successfully. Fine, that is done. Home. So now we'll copy the main address, that is localhost 50517. Paste it in the new tab. So we'll come back to main page. We'll continue. You will sign up as a new user. So here is the new user detail. So what are the new user by ID password you want, you can take. This is something like Harun, then like Ramu, then address. So here is a mobile number and then email ID. Right. So submit this. Okay, successful. Now we can log in as a user. Here is the user ID and this is the password. So it logs in. Fine. Now you can able to see the timetable. So as you can see that RN 101, Express 101. So Majestic Vision 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. Right, 7 a.m. So here is the timetable which is available. Customer can see the timetable. Now they want to buy the new card. So go to that and give the name. So whatever your name, then address. So then you can see male or female and date of birth. I'll give 1/1/2020. So mobile number, you have to take the mobile number here. And smart card fee is 50. And here you can see that you can upload the photos. Right. So once you upload the photos, the admin can check all these things. Presently I'm not uploading. To upload this, you need to go to file, say something like this. Okay, I don't have photos here. I'll just upload this one only. Okay, so here our photo has to be uploaded. Then it will come. So you can see that your number is 12341008. Now you can check the balance. That is one. So this is the card number. Check. Sorry, card number, and there is no money here. So therefore, it's not showing any amount. So next, what we do is we can recharge the card. So your card number 12341008. So that number is generated automatically, and here is we want to recharge for 1000 rupees. So we say we are using debit card, and you can give the debit card details. Can bank card, can card. So transaction number. So it's a dummy payment. So we don't give much details here. Only indicative that this recharge will happen. So successfully done. Now we'll go check balance. So this is 100. Sorry, this is 12341008. Check. So you can see that you have 1000 rupees. So again you can go to recharge and then type 12341008. So now let's make 500 or 500. So paid using city code. Fine. So save this. Done. Now we can go to check balance. There should be 1500. So you can see that 1500. So we can also see these transactions in the table too. That is what we want to show. Like if you expand this Metro card, and here are the tables. So here is the card transaction table. If it's a show table data, you can refresh this, and here are the two transactions which are occurred. This is 1000 rupees and this is 500 rupees for the card 1008. Right? So that's how we need to send the data. So that is what very important. So I'll show you like how we can send the data to the data, but I'm going to stop this. So if you go to, this is to buy the new card. Okay, so this is the code to generate the new number. Then this is the code to insert the data, and then we can redirect to another page. So here is the recharge. So you can see that recharge. This HTML code automatically generated when you drop the controls on the screen. And here is the save button. And here is the code to generate the new number, because for every new transactions, new number has to come. That is what we're going to generate from this code. And this code is to insert the data. So you want to insert the record. So therefore this is the code. So all the values, whatever is there in the text boxes, we need to read and then we need to transfer to the table. Okay, so main concept is what all you would like to cover in this project. So that I've shown a small project you can make up to this, and user main is concerned, you can make all these options. So try this, and if you have any difficulties, let me know what difficulties you are facing. So in the next video, we try to help you out on this. So here's our channel. So just search for Highblix tutorials, then you'll get this, and then go to videos, and we are keep uploading new videos on a everyday basis. So watch the videos here. We have a lot of videos. When you're free, please come here and then watch. Now question is why you need to do the project, because now competition is too high to get the job. Huge number of people are coming out from the colleges, but you should have a practical experience. That is what important. In order to gain the practical experience, you have to do more projects. Therefore watch some videos here and then try to build projects. Okay, thank you.